Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences Jnims Parampat has once again been heavily flooded within its campus due to continuous rain, causing much inconvenience to patients and staffs. Patients undergoing treatment in different wards of Jnims Hospital have been alerted to shift to a safer place on due to rising water levels in the hospital complex. According to a press statement issued by Medical Superintendent Professor K.H. Lokeshwar, directed the wards to be evacuated while declining to admit new patients and halt emergency services until further notice. The step has been taken in the interest of patients and their safety with the approval of higher authorities. Earlier in July, the hospital complex was inundated from overflowing waters of Kongba and Iril rivers, and barely 2 months later, the calamity has struck again. Evacuation of patients, staffs and medical students are being carried out with utmost urgency.
Patient patient. Yes, sir.